Are you looking for the best under-desk bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best under-desk bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, starting at number 1. Stamina Inmotion E1000. Sure, you want to be physically fit and healthy, but finding time for a thoroughly effective cardiovascular workout is just plain difficult with your schedule. Besides, you can always get back in shape once you have enough space for a full-size elliptical machine or treadmill. Sound familiar? It's time to leave excuses behind along with any oversized clothing those excuses have earned you. The incredibly compact, portable, and affordable elliptical lets you conveniently work up a healthy sweat nearly anywhere, anytime. Efficient cardio results. Ever wonder why elliptical machines are so often occupied at the gym? Elliptical trainer workouts are proven to burn a similar number of calories as jogging does, efficiently increasing stamina and energy while toning your hips, buttocks, thighs, and legs. Unlike jogging, however, ellipticals help you reach your fitness and weight loss goals through a low-impact routine that won't jar your back, knees, hips, or ankles. It's compact and lightweight enough to take anywhere, so you can fit your cardio workout into your daily schedule with no problem. With non-slip pedals that hold your feet in place without a second thought, you can enjoy the low-impact, joint-friendly exercise while your mind is focused on work. Use the E1000 compact strider at home or at the office, and when you're finished, you can store it out of sight and out of the way, under your desk or in the closet. The Stamina Inmotion E1000 compact strider eliminates any reason to procrastinate about the health of your body and mind. The Stamina Inmotion E1000 compact strider offers the all results without the endless membership fees, crowds, and hassle of driving to the gym. At number 2. DeskCycle Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. The DeskCycle Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser isn't the most lightweight option around, but it's certainly portable enough to toss in the trunk of your car. This bike still provides the features that serious exercisers are looking for, with 8 resistance levels and an LCD screen that displays key metrics like time, speed, and distance. For other low-impact options on the days you can get out of the house. Stay in shape. Our exercise bikes for home and office are the perfect at-home workout equipment for physical therapy, working, reading, gaming, or just watching TV. Adjustable resistance. The DeskCycle 2 exercise bike offers 8 resistance settings and up to 39 pounds of resistance. Our high-inertia flywheel spins 14 times per pedal stroke, simulating a smooth, challenging, real bike feel. Sturdy and quiet, with sealed bearings, steel components, strap-in pedals, and silent magnetic resistance, our stationary bike provides a hassle-free cycling experience. Track your progress. Our detachable LCD display records rotations per minute, distance traveled, calories burned, and time elapsed. Adjustable height. The DeskCycle 2 exercise bike is adjustable from 9-10 tall. Drop it down to 9-inch for the desk bike pedal exerciser to be compatible with desks as low as 27. At number 3. Vaunn Medical Folding Pedal Exerciser. If foldability and storage are more important to you than a range of features, the Vaunn Medical Folding Pedal Exerciser is a solid option. This fully assembled pedal exerciser also doubles as an arm exerciser. It runs on 2 AAA batteries and features an LCD display, an adjustable tension knob, and skid-resistant rubber feet for traction and stability no matter where you place it. Enjoyment in exercise. Combine your favorite activities with your workout routine. Place your pedaler on your desk as a wrist or arm exerciser. Or use it under your desk as a pedaler while you work, read, or online gaming. Exercise can be enjoyable. Note, not for strenuous exercise or workout. Enjoyment in exercise. Combine your favorite activities with your workout routine. Place your pedaler on your desk as a wrist or arm exerciser. Or use it under your desk as a pedaler while you work, read, or online gaming. Exercise can be enjoyable. Note, not for strenuous exercise or workout. Arms and legs strengthener helps tone muscles, improve blood circulation, and strengthen your shoulders, forearms, wrist, core, thighs, and legs. Suitable for arthritic, knee ailments, and after surgery for recovery. Resistance control. Adjustable tension knob to control the level of resistance and workout intensity. Quick release folding mechanism, releases and folds easily. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store or bring on the go. Product is fully assembled, although user may need to attach small accessories. At number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Mini Exercise Bike. Consider the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Mini Exercise Bike if you want your fitness device to multitask. This under-desk bike provides 8 levels of resistance, and its flywheel ensures a quiet, smooth ride. When you're done pedaling, you can place the device on your desk and give your arms a workout as well. Versatile exercise. The under-desk pedal exerciser serves office workers, seniors, athletes and patients in rehab. Its low-impact smooth motion minimizes joint strain, offering versatile fitness options for varying levels of athleticism. Portable, compact at 20.5 inches by 16.5 inches by 10.5 inches and with a 3.52 pounds flywheel, this pedal exerciser is exceptionally portable. Its adjustable straps, non-slip pedals, and a sturdy base, ensuring safety during exercise and rehab sessions. Smooth and quiet, featuring magnetic resistance and a belt-drive mechanism, our under-desk exerciser ensures minimal friction and noise disturbance, allowing for undisturbed workouts. Dual functions. Switch easily between exercises on a desk-level surface. Engage upper body muscles by pedaling forward with arms. Featuring 8 levels of resistance, our mini bike offers tailored workouts. Low impact. Our mini bike guarantees joint-friendly lower body movement. Pedals reach 10-inch peak height, offering a comfortable 7 stride. Additionally, they serve as hand grips on a desk, engaging upper body muscles for a comprehensive workout. Digital monitor. Essential data are tracked, such as speed, time, distance and calories burned with battery-powered exercise display. Monitor progress, set goals, and stay motivated on your fitness journey. Easy assembly. With our user-friendly manual, assembly is a breeze, requiring just 3 simple steps to achieve complete satisfaction from setup to your first exhilarating workout session. At number 5. LifePro Under-Desk Bike. Looking to work your lower and upper body at the same time? The under-desk bike pedal exerciser with resistance bands is a good option. This mini exercise bike under-desk provides 8 levels of resistance for pedaling in bands that allow you to work on your upper body and grip strength simultaneously. LifePro also provides training videos, and you can track your stats on the LCD monitor and through the associated app. Stay active, improve circulation, and support your physical therapy goals, all while seated. The LifePro DeskCycle under-desk bike pedal exerciser is designed to bring low-impact workouts to your home or office with whisper-quiet performance and full-body versatility. Whether you're a senior looking to maintain mobility, an office worker breaking up sedentary hours, or recovering from injury, the DeskCycle fits effortlessly into your routine. Its compact design slips easily under most desks, allowing you to pedal while working, reading, or watching TV. More than just a leg exerciser, the DeskCycle includes features for both upper and lower body workouts. Use the resistance bands and interchangeable pedals to engage your arms or legs, helping improve joint flexibility, boost circulation, and rebuild strength through gentle movement. Customize your workouts with 8 levels of magnetic resistance, from light rehab to more vigorous cardio training. The built-in LCD display tracks your time, distance, speed, and calories burned, keeping you informed and motivated during each session. This makes it a valuable choice for seniors and anyone managing physical therapy progress with real data. Portable, sturdy, and simple to use, the DeskCycle is a complete solution for in-place fitness. Whether you're recovering, maintaining, or building strength, LifePro helps you move with purpose anytime, anywhere.